Good afternoon. Today's video journal for you is on Islamic divorce and technology. Talaq. In Malaysia, this one word translated as I divorce you. And under current Islamic law called Sharia law, in Malaysia, if a man states the word talaq 3 times, he is divorced. Now, since the advent of text messaging, men in some areas of Malaysia can divorce their wives by stating, I divorce you in their language 3 times in a text message. Now, Muslim men in Malaysia can take up to 4 wives. Any Muslim man in that country has the right to divorce. We don't know how many men have actually sent their wives text messages since the practice started in 2003, but we do know that the text messaging phenomenon of divorcing is growing as cell phone use also grows in Malaysia. Now, Muslim men in Malaysia divorce their wives at a rate 5 times higher than that of non-Muslims in that country. Now, you want to keep in mind that almost all of the multiple married people in Malaysia are Muslim. Now, as it turns out, the ruling of a Sharia court in one Malaysian state is not applicable in another. And consequently, a man may divorce 1 or more of his wives in one state and be required by that Sharia court to pay child support. He can then move to another Malaysian state and avoid paying child support. And there are other differences in the application of Sharia among the states in Malaysia. For example, 2 states in Malaysia give Muslim fathers the right to marry off one of their daughters without their consent. For your analysis and for you to write 1 full page, one government advisor on religious affairs in Malaysia states that mobile phone text messaging is just another form of writing. In the situation described here, do you believe that text messaging, I divorce you, should have the same legal effect as stating those words verbally to one's spouse? Why or why not? And should people be just as responsible legally for what they text as for what they write and what they say? Go for it.